Understanding the different color codes of Kali files will make it easier for you to get started. Let's go first to the terminal and issue the cd/var. Let's do some listing here. You'll see that there are lots of blue namings here. So the blue color refers to a directory. So these ones here, backups, cache, lib, etc., these are the directories. Meanwhile, this sky blue color, like lock and run, refer to a symbolic link. So basically it's a link. Now if you go like cd into backups and let's do listing again, you'll see different color coding. These ones that are in red are considered to be archive files. So .gz, it's .gunzip, it's like rar file or a zip file. These are considered archive files. Meanwhile, the ones here white, sometimes you can see them in green as well. So these are executable files. So these are files on their own that will run whenever you invoke them. They can be green or white. Graphic files such as JPEG, PNG files are usually color coded in pink. Meanwhile, devices are color coded in yellow with a black background, and broken links are color coded with red with black background.